Hi everybody, this is Sophie from My Variety. Today I would like to share with you my new digital kit. I have two new release kits. It's called Rustic Bohemian I and Rustic Bohemian II. And last couple of months I went to my husband's cousin wedding and the theme is Rustic Bohemian. That was inspired me to create this kit. So I will share with you and hope you like it. And I will put the link to my shop below. Also, if you would like to subscribe, also don't forget to subscribe me. And this is the first page. I will share closely. Is the background is similar to the burlaps in white linen color, and I love her. She is so beautiful with her headband. It's nice. And this one is all the ephemera. If you want to have like ephemera, so you just print this one extra and cut this one as much as you can. So this is the first one. I love this page because these ladies look beautiful, especially her clothes. I'm trying to learn how to embroider, so hopefully I can learn it, and so I can include this one in my journal. And this is the second page with all the ephemera, with some blue flower, the pink one, and also I attached some lace, digital one, and also some flower. I love this one. And the third one is just only an ephemera. You can use this one as the liner when you print it, so you can print double sides on it. But this one I just print only in A4. It's like a copy paper because I already print that one in 150-gram paper because I'm ready to do a journal with the new technique, which I'm trying to find time to do it. So hopefully I will share with you by this month. And this is another page and with a doily on it. And also I have like some background white linen with all the flower and all the vintage ephemera which you can cut here in the ticket. Okay. And this one is this kit is come with 4 pages and 1 add-on. So this is the add-on, the tag, and you can recite on your own preference. This is a book with a flower. I love this because I add some lace and also the flower. And this is an envelope. It's very nice. And this is the first Bohemian kit. There's the brown linen, but it looked like a burlap, and she is look a bohemian, and I put some flower. It seems like the printing of the fabric. Okay. And I love this page because I love this one. It looks like the real fabric, so I add some lace on it. And this one is a fortune teller with some ephemera. Isn't that beautiful? And this is another one that I love. I love this page with all the flower and all an envelope. Also I'm planning to cut this one like ephemera. So let's see on my next coming project. And this one I'm trying to put some digital kits on it with this one to make it more like a patchwork. So I hope that's work, but I really love it. I like it, and I'm planning to put this one, like do some stitching and put this one as the cover of the journal. And this one is also with some ephemera on it and some stamp. Okay. And for this one, it's come with an envelope, Let me find an envelope real quick. Okay, an envelope, this one, so you can recite on it. Yeah, and I think that's about it. Just only a quick one. So I hope you like it and click subscribe. And I will put the link to my shop below. Have a good one. Thanks you. Bye bye.